you're here, I'm not just the same. Try to hide it, try not to show it. It's crazy. How could it be? I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. You said hello, I look in your eyes. Suddenly, I feel good inside. Is this really happening?